Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg rolls using a simple coleslaw mix. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 bag of coleslaw mix, 1 pound of ground pork, and egg roll wrappers. Begin by browning the ground pork in a large skillet over medium heat. Once cooked through, drain any excess fat. Then, add the coleslaw mix directly to the pan with the pork and cook until it's tender crisp, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This quick prep makes filling a breeze. Now that your filling is ready, let's get to rolling. Lay an egg roll wrapper flat on a clean surface, oriented like a diamond. Place about 2 tablespoons of your cooled coleslaw and pork mixture just below the center. Fold the bottom corner up over the filling, then fold in the 2 side corners towards the center, making sure they are snug. Roll the wrapper tightly upwards towards the last corner, using a dab of water on the final edge to seal it securely. Repeat for all your egg rolls. Once your egg rolls are assembled, it's time to cook them to crispy perfection. You have a few great options. For deep frying, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the egg rolls for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are golden brown and crispy. Alternatively, for a lighter option, air fry them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway through. Or bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, turning once. Your delicious homemade egg rolls are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauces, like sweet and sour, duck sauce, or even a spicy sriracha mayo. These crispy, flavorful egg rolls make a fantastic appetizer for any gathering or a fun, satisfying main course for a weeknight meal. They're surprisingly easy to make and always a crowd pleaser. For more great kitchen tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links to other deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.